Welcome back to my channel, and we are on the final video for the beginning tap tutorial series. Yay, we did it! So far in the last 11 videos we have learned 20 plus tap moves, and today we're going to learn two more, the 2 count riff and the 3 count riff. So let's get to it. We're going to start today with the 2 count riff, and guess how many counts it has? 2. So we're going to start by making the first sound with our toe tap, and then we make the second sound with our heel tap. Take a look. This is a really easy step, so we're going to start out by lifting our foot off the floor. We're going to drop our foot, hitting our toe tap, slide that foot a little bit forward, and then we're going to hit the heel tap. So it looks like this. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. There's a movement to it. You start here, come down. As you move through the foot, you bring the heel tap up. Let's do the same thing on the left side. So we lift the foot up, and as we drop it down, we bring it forward and heel tap. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel. So that is the 2 count riff. The 3 count riff adds one more sound. You're going to add a heel drop on that standing leg. So if we do it on the right side with our right foot, we're going to lift up our foot just like we did in the 2 count riff. We're going to come down, toe tap, move through it, heel tap, and then we're going to do a heel drop on that standing foot. Again, that is toe, heel, heel drop. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Let's try it on the left. Lifting up the left foot, we're going to come down with a toe tap. We move through to the heel tap, and then we drop the back heel. Toe, heel, heel drop. Toe, heel, heel drop. Toe, heel, heel drop. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Good job. Okay, let's learn a little combination that will help you practice these 2 steps. We're going to start out on the right foot, and we're going to do 4 2 count riffs. So we go and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Then we're going to do a pas de bourrée, which is simply 3 steps. So in this case, you're going to do back, step side, step front. So again, we did and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, back, step side, step front. From here, we're going to do 3 heel digs on the left foot. Dig, dig, dig. And then we're ready to start it all over again from the left foot. So your left foot is ready to go. We just did the dig, dig, dig. Now we're going to do 4 2 count riffs. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Then we're going to do the pas de bourrée. Back, side, front, dig, dig, dig with the right foot. Cool, let's try all of that together at a kind of slow pace. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Back, side, front, dig, dig, dig. And left foot, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Back, side, front, dig, dig, dig. Good job. From there, we are going to do 2 3 count riffs, starting with the right foot. And a 1, and a 2. Then we're going to do the pas de bourrée again. Back, side, front, and a 1, and a 2. Back, side, front. So let's just try that second half with the 3 count riff. Starting with the right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, and a 2. Back, side, front, and a 1, and a 2. Back, side, front. Okay, let's add done an amazing job in the beginning tap tutorial series. I'm super proud of you, and I can't wait until next week because we're going to be putting all of the steps that we learned into one combination, singing in the rain. It's gonna be a lot of fun, so make sure to stay tuned to my channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the little bell button so that you'll be notified whenever that video is uploaded. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. You've done great. You did it. Woohoo! Bye.